This is lesson 3.2, derivative as a function. In lesson 3.1, we discuss about how to find the derivative at a point, which means that you're looking for the slope of the tangent line, a number. In lesson 3.2, we are trying to come up with a function of derivative. Think of it as like a formula that we can quickly get the derivative at any point of the original function. Alright, so our goal for today is to know the difference between derivative at a point versus a derivative function. Okay, think of this as a number. Okay, think of this as like a formula that allows you to find the number if you're given a point. Recognize all notations that mean derivative. So it turns out that there are a lot of notations that mean derivative, and I'm going to show you all of those so that you can recognize all of them. Know how to know the derivative values. So know that when a derivative is positive, how that is related to the graph. Know when the derivative is negative, how that's related to the graph. And then know when the derivative is 0, how that's also related to the graph. And last but not least, I'm going to show you how to sketch the graph of the derivative. Awesome. So let's first kind of see what we've done so far. So far we have been able to find the numerical derivative at a point, or the slope of the tangent line at a point. We now explore the derivative as a function that will allow us to find the derivative at any point quickly. Here is the definition of the derivative function. Okay, derivative function, derivative of f of x. Recall that the definition of the derivative function is this. And remember that we say that the function is differentiable on the domain A and B if the derivative exists for all x values between A and B. So f is differentiable if the derivative exists for all the x's in between A and B. Now, what notations imply derivative? Well, the first notation that implies derivative is this notation. It is referred to as f prime of x. So f prime of x, and that means find the derivative of the function x. Other notation that also means derivative is y prime of x. So y prime of x, or simply just y prime. That little apostrophe is referred to as prime. Other times you might see the symbol d over dx of y. This symbol right here stands for the derivative of y. Okay, so let's write that down. That symbol is the derivative of the function y. And this dx below signifies the variables that it is respected to. So the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, we're taking the derivative with respect to x. It could be written like that, or it could be written like that. Alright? Other times you might see this notation for the derivative, and that stands for the derivative, see, the derivative of the function f, the derivative of the function f with respect to the variable x. Alright, and it could be written in either of these fashions. So all of these right here represent the derivative function. Okay, if we want to find derivative at a point, then these are the symbols that we are going to use. So this is very specific. This is kind of like saying y prime at a, and this is just going to be a number. Okay, this is just going to be the slope. This is another way to find the slope at a point. The way how we refer to this symbol is we say this is the derivative of y.
Hey, Ms. Green,